Nobody expected this. When early rumors about the F-47 first surfaced, many thought it would be just another upgraded fighter. But now, the US has finally pulled back the curtain, and what's inside has stunned the entire defense world. The F-47 isn't just fast or stealthy, it has power features never seen in any jet before. From AI-driven combat systems to hypersonic strike capability, this aircraft isn't competing with fifth-gen jets, it's rewriting the future of air dominance. So what makes the F-47 so insane? Why are top analysts calling it a flying revolution? And how did the US manage to build a platform that already makes China and Russia nervous? This isn't just a fighter, it's a sky-dominating beast designed to lead wars from above, faster, smarter, and deadlier than anything we've seen. Let's break it down, because what's under the hood is beyond anything anyone expected. The F-47 is the US military's next-generation air superiority fighter, designed not just to complement the F-22 and F-35, but to exceed them. Developed under the NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance program, the F-47 represents a leap in nearly every aspect, from propulsion to avionics, from survivability to firepower. Unlike its predecessors, the F-47 was designed from day one with modularity and rapid upgrade cycles in mind. It is not a static platform, but a living, evolving machine capable of adapting to threats the moment they emerge. What we're seeing is not just a plane, but an airborne strategy. Whether it's fighting in contested airspace, directing drone swarms, or launching hypersonic strikes, the F-47 does it all. And with capabilities far ahead of any current adversary, it's clear the US plans to hold air dominance for the next 50 years. Stealth evolution. The F-47 takes stealth to an entirely new level. Traditional stealth relies on radar-absorbing materials and angular surfaces to deflect enemy signals. But the F-47 goes beyond that, using next-gen metamaterials, shape-shifting surfaces, and active stealth technologies that can literally bend the rules of radar detection. This includes adaptive skin that changes temperature and texture mid-flight to reduce heat signatures, making it nearly invisible to infrared tracking. It also features radar-canceling antennas, edge-slammed intakes, and even electronic cloaking tech that manipulates electromagnetic fields. So, the result? A fighter that's practically invisible to radar, thermal sensors, and even acoustic detection. It can fly right into enemy territory, strike, and disappear before the alarm is even raised. AI cockpit system. Step inside the F-47 and you're not just entering a fighter jet, you're stepping into the most advanced digital war zone ever built. The cockpit is fully immersive, equipped with a panoramic augmented reality HUD that wraps across the canopy, giving the pilot a complete 360-degree view. No switches, no dials, just instant access to real-time data, targets, terrain, and threats, all displayed directly onto the pilot's field of vision. It's like flying the future. But what truly makes the F-47 revolutionary is its built-in artificial intelligence system known as Sentinel. This isn't just another autopilot. Sentinel acts like a full digital crew. It analyzes radar signatures, monitors threat levels, adjusts flight settings, and even suggests the best time to engage or retreat, all before the pilot blinks. As it learns from every mission, studies enemy tactics, and evolves its strategy mid-flight. In a dogfight, it becomes your tactical brain, constantly feeding you smarter decisions, faster than any human ever could. When the fight gets intense and split-second survival decisions are needed, Sentinel takes control. It's designed for moments when human reaction time isn't fast enough, launching countermeasures, adjusting altitude, and locking onto targets in milliseconds. This is more than a smart jet. It's a thinking weapon, giving the F-47 a massive edge over any adversary. With AI in the cockpit, the F-47 doesn't just fly, it dominates. Sensor fusion dominance. The F-47's brain is wired for war. It can fuse data from satellites, AWACS, submarines, drones, and ground forces, all in real time. This is sensor fusion at its peak. Everything the jet sees, hears, or senses is immediately processed and converted into actionable intel. Enemy aircraft are tagged, Targets are prioritized and threats are predicted before they even engage. The pilot no longer has to interpret, they just act. It's like flying with the battlefield already solved in your mind. Rehearsal, missile integration. The F-47 isn't just about sensors and stealth. It's built to hit harder than any aircraft before it. Its weapons bay carries a new generation of hypersonic missiles capable of Mach 7 speeds and beyond. These include the AGM-X-93, designed for long-range precision strikes against both ground and air targets. Because these missiles move faster than most defense systems can respond, a single launch can end a conflict before it even begins. Combine this with stealth, and the enemy never sees the attack coming. The jet also supports smart munitions with in-light targeting updates, adaptive strike profiles, and AI-enhanced guidance. Every missile is a thinking weapon. Autonomous drone control. The F-47 doesn't fly alone. It commands an entire aerial team. Built into its core system is the ability to control semi-autonomous loyal wingman drones right from the cockpit. These aren't just support units. They're intelligent, mission-ready extensions of the aircraft itself. Thanks to onboard AI, the pilot doesn't need to micromanage. The F-47 gives commands, and the AI executes the details instantly. Each drone is assigned a purpose in real time. One may conduct deep recon, another may carry out jamming operations, while others serve as decoys or even deliver precision strikes. They adapt as the battle changes, working in complete sync with the mothership. This coordination is seamless, making the F-47 the nerve center of an airborne combat network controlling the chaos rather than reacting to it. This strategy, known as swarm warfare, flips the battlefield. Instead of one jet dodging threats, you have an entire team blanketing the sky, confusing enemy defenses and striking from every angle. The F-47 becomes a remote command hub capable of operating deep behind enemy lines without ever putting itself in danger. Its air dominance on a whole new level. Smart, scalable, and unstoppable. Survivability and hard kill systems. The F-47 isn't just hard to detect, it's also hard to kill. In addition to its stealth and jamming, it features hard kill countermeasure systems, basically small interceptors that shoot down incoming missiles. Laser-based defense systems are also being tested on this platform, capable of blinding or burning out incoming threats mid-air. Think Iron Dome, but for a fighter jet. Combine all of this with ultra-strong composite armor and redundant flight systems, and the F-47 becomes one of the toughest jets ever put in the sky. GOLL reach and logistics. Despite all its cutting-edge features, the F-47 is built with modular logistics in mind. It uses adaptive parts, 3D printed components, and plug-and-play architecture that allows for rapid upgrades and repairs. Its engines, the adaptive cycle engines, can change performance mid-flight, switching between fuel efficiency and max thrust. This gives the F-47 the range to strike deep, loiter long, and return safely. It's also compatible with existing tankers and support systems, meaning it can be deployed anywhere in the world fast. The F-47 isn't just a new aircraft, it's the future of air dominance. With unmatched stealth, next-gen weapons, AI integration, and digital warfare capabilities, this jet is rewriting the playbook. While enemies are still chasing fifth-generation designs, the US is already flying what many call the first sixth-generation fighter. And by combining smart design with modular upgrades, the F-47 will stay lethal for decades. This isn't just a jet, it's a flying ecosystem of power, intelligence, and strategic might. And now that it's official, the world better pay attention. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with your squadron of aviation fans, and subscribe for more high-flying military tech breakdowns. The skies are changing, and we're here to cover every move.